Hey, good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on a food truck. I'll be showing you some of the products I'm using, show you the ins and outs of the trailer, how I do things, how I clean the truck. You see me fully suited up because this food truck does require a lot of water. I don't want to mess up my clothes. Meaning I use bleach for some of the products, or I think some of the products has bleach in it. I did this truck in the past and just totally ruined my pants. So not an issue. I got on a lot of clothes I don't care about today, but I still want to save it a little bit and protect it. So stay tuned, guys. We'll be back, and here we go. All right, guys. So right now you're gonna currently see me get ready to wash. I'm gonna just lightly spray the vehicle, and then I'm gonna start foaming. Right now we're using the Active 2.0 for a pressure washer. I was using my Ryobi, but I decided to switch over, which I would like to get into a video over, but just over a lot of failure and defects. Got sick and tired of that stuff happening to me, so I wanted to switch over to something more professional grade, which is what we're using now. So right now we're just knocking off some of the grease. Before I even get started, just knock off as much as possible. Knock off all this soap, break that down, I let it sit for a couple seconds, and then we'll start getting into the washing. You guys just look at it, you can already see the dirt just running down the trailer. I let that, like I said, the dirt grab up much as possible, and I start agitating, which is using my brush and rubbing it down and breaking all the stuff off. But just for the pressure washer itself and the factory wand that it comes with is $349. Cleaned off the vehicle pretty quick. I'm just making sure I got all the stuff off here. Any last bit of soap. Some may think this is crazy, but we're going to be using straight Clorox for the inside of this food truck. I'm going to put it directly in my foam cannon to foam it on, help break up that stuff. Another safe product to use. Just be careful with your clothes. Obviously, it's gonna destroy your clothes. It's gonna ruin your clothes, but we're gonna put it straight for the foam cannon. I'm gonna foam up as much as possible. I won't foam up everything, but I'll foam up much as possible. Agitate it with my brush. Some wiping may be done by rags. I'll try to put the camera in a way where you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. So stay tuned, guys. We'll get into that now. Place the camera here while we spray the roof. This is the part that messes up your clothes. This is the part. This is the part that messes up your clothes, guys. All right, guys, now we're gonna get into the actual part of cleaning the trailer. Right now, I just sprayed some of this debris out of the trailer. Pick up as much debris as possible. As you're doing this, it's a plastic bag laying around. You'll pick that up, obviously. So before you see me spray anything, you're gonna see me just simply pre-wash. And while you're doing this, guys, to be safe, wear your proper PPE. Meaning some steel-toe boots, some slip resistant boots. The stainless steel does get very slippery, especially working with a lot of grease. You don't want to be in here hurting yourself. You don't want to fall. This is a food trailer. It's not a food truck. So when it's not connected to the truck, it is on a tilt. So you want to be super careful when you're doing this. Don't want to make a slip hazard. Don't want to be falling. So be careful, please. Please. Okay. That's pretty much all my debris. All right, right now, it's gonna be the easiest but hardest part. I'm gonna foam it with the bleach. It sounds crazy, but it's gonna be easy. But the hardest part to me is the smell, the burning sensation in your eyes with the bleach. I probably should have some type of mask on. But what I'm gonna do is I'll foam it, and I'll step out the trailer, let that break up and dissolve, and then I come back in and spray that off. And then I'll foam it one more time again, and I'll start doing the agitation part. So you'll see me get into that right now, guys. Right now we're about to get into the foaming part. Doesn't look like it's just bleach. It doesn't look like it's foaming anything, but it's actually gonna break this up a lot because it's bleach. It's already doing the job. Wow. Already doing the job. It saves me a ton of time. Just gotta be careful because it's bleach. Don't want it on your clothes. Don't want it to stain your clothes up and mess up your clothes and stuff. But this bleach will break up this stuff so fast. I'm gonna take the camera out for a second because I have to spray the roof. All right, guys, now we're just really getting into the wiping down stage where I'm just wiping everything down. There's still a lot of stains on here, but with the chemical I put on here, the wiping down alone will remove all of the oil and gunk. Again, if you ever clean a food truck, just be completely careful. The stainless steel, especially up here, it's extremely sharp as heck. Don't want to cut your fingers or slice your wrists or anything. It's crazy sharp. Be careful. Yeah, so it's always tough trying to find like your proper footing, and I can't grab that. What you'll see me do, I'll probably change my method in a second, but I'm just trying to be safe as possible, guys. I did this plenty of times, and before I left, I went home with numbers of cuts on my hands due to the stainless steel. We'll move the ladder down a little bit. Very close to the edge. Actually, we'll spin it around to be safe. So I'll spin it so I can get up here, clean all these little tough spots. Okay. If you don't know much about cleaning any type of stainless steel or anything, I would definitely do some videos, or I would definitely encourage you to do your proper research so you don't damage any stainless steel on anybody's vehicle or trailer or food truck. Let's slide over to this way. Spray a little bit of chemical on my rag, clean all that stuff up. Clean that up nice. Wow. I don't know if you guys can see all the way back here, but this thing was full of grease. We'll spray this off with water in a second. And don't worry, guys, it's completely safe. Just spray with water. Again, I worked on this food truck multiple times. Owner also recommended me this is the way we're gonna wash it. Well, clean it. There's a lot of time. There's a lot of preparation with this thing too, with the water and stuff. Wow. Definitely needed my love though today. Stainless still been pretty bad. I usually do this fan once a month or every once in a month. Sorry, excuse me, I can't even talk right now. I usually do this trailer about once a month to once every month and a half. Keep it nice and clean. That way you can probably pass his food inspections and things of that sort. Let's continue with the wiping down process. Wipe everything down. And then what we do again, I missed the spot there, huh? It's tough to see a little bit. It's tough to see a little bit up there, but cool. That nice clean right there. All right. So now you'll see me spray this thing off. We'll take the ladder out for a second and then spray it off. It's getting hot too, guys. Right now we're just gonna be spraying off some of this stuff here. I already kind of degreased it, break up some of the debris. Right now we're pretty much done. We're just doing our vacuum process and gonna move this fridge so I can be able to get behind here, clean up all the water, all the gunk that's left back there. Just slide this forward a little bit. All right guys, so right now we just finished up our last couple pieces. We're pretty much done. We're just wiping everything down. We have just to wipe down the stainless steel and to clean the outside windows left, guys. Please remember, like always, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. All comments are accepted. If you see anything that you do not agree with, drop a comment. Let me know. We'll discuss it. We'll talk about it. We can have a good conversation about it. If you guys are already not, follow me here, subscribe here. But also you can follow my Instagram where I post a lot of stuff on my platform, which is onetouchdetailing.org. I spell it out for you guys. It's ONE period touch, TOUCH, detailing, DETAILING. Follow me guys. We'll wrap up the video. We'll show the outside. I'll finish show you guys the inside, and that will exclude the video. I hope you guys like this one. Wasn't too hard to deal with, wasn't too complicated. Again, if you guys disagree, if you guys like, just drop a comment. Bow. What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Now we completed the vehicle. The vehicle is done, it's complete. Look at the wheels shining, the tires are clean, the rims are clean, inside the wheel wells are clean, inside of the trailer is clean. like always, I appreciate you guys for truly watching the videos that I do. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. If you guys are already not doing so, like, comment, subscribe. And that ends the video, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you. Bye.